In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search photos by the year on the iPad. So we're going to open up the Photos app like this, and it kind of depends on which view we currently happen to be in. But, if you are in collections or some specific album, make sure you come back to the library so you see it like this. And in order to manage the date or the years, make sure you zoom out the images, right? So as you can see that it makes them look a little bit smaller like that. So you can keep on zooming out a little bit more. And now, as you can see, we start to see the date. So we have the July 2025, and you can also kind of like switch between the all photos to months and years, right? And as you can see, I have the photos separated by the category. So I have 2023, 2024, 25, 26, and so on. Or even months would work the same way, because you can go July 26th and you can go by months and essentially come back to the year that you wanted to. So that's like a very nice way to scroll through them and find the year and the exact date. Just keep in mind that you can also perform a search. For example, if you have all of the photos in here looking like that, you can click on the search icon in the top right corner like that, and you can type something in. So for example, I can type in December 2025, right? And based on that, I can look for some specific photos which have been captured in December 2025. For example, the screenshot on December 12th in that year, and so on. So you can also perform the search using the month and the year, and you would also get the results that you are looking for. So let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up on this video, subscribe for videos and guides like this one, and I'll see you later.